Specialised animal cells quiz with answers. Which of these cells are part of the immune system? White blood cells or sperm cells? White blood cells. Which part of nerve cells connects to other nerves or muscles? Dendrites. What is the function of ciliated epithelial cells in the lungs? To move dust, mucus, and microorganisms away from the lungs. Why are sperm cells produced in large numbers? To increase the chance of fertilization. Where in the body are egg cells made? In the ovaries. If you found any of those questions difficult to answer, you could watch our cell biology playlist, which will help you with your learning.